Hello, everyone. Do you want to expand your vocabulary? Well, today I'm going to be teaching you some words with correct pronunciation, spelling, and also some examples. So let's get started. Number one, supersede. Supersede. The spelling is SUPERSEDE. Supersede. For example, the new rules have superseded the old ones. Number two, millennium. Millennium. The spelling is MILLENNIUM. Millennium. For example, there have changed a lot over the past millennium. Number three, questionnaire. Questionnaire. It is spelled like QUESTIONNAIRE. Questionnaire. For example, could you please fill up this questionnaire? Number four, entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Here's how you spell it: ENTREPRENEUR. Entrepreneur. For example, she has become a successful entrepreneur because of her new online business. Number five, Q. Q. It is pretty simple to spell, which is QUEUE. So, for example, we had to stand in a long queue to get concert tickets. And the last one is serenity. Serenity. The spelling is SERENINTY. Serenity. For example, warm tea makes me feel serenity. So, hope you learned something new. So, that's all for today. Let us know in the comments what word was new to you. So, bye!